everybody, it's Mrs. Holbrook here, and we're going to do a little foundations lesson. I really miss being in school with all of you and doing foundations together, so this is going to be a fun way for you to have your parents see it and you to try it too. All right, let's get ready for our warm-up. A apple A, B bat B, C cat K, D dog D, E ed E, F fun F. Okay, now I'm going to go to the second row, and this time I'm going to cut out the keyword. I'm just going to say the letter and the sound because you first graders are ready for it. I'll still say it for my vowels, and you know what? I'm going to sing my vowels. I'm going to stretch them out. G game G, H I itch I, J J, K K, L U, M N N, O octopus A, P Q U, R S T U, V W X Y Z Z. And now let's do our digraphs with the whole story. WH whistle W, CH chin ch, SH ship sh. Don't forget to repeat after me. TH thumb th. Bite that tongue when you do your TH sound. CK sock k. And don't forget, the WH is in the beginning because it only becomes at the beginning of words, and CK is at the end because it only comes at the end. All right, now let's really make sure we stretch out those vowels. These can be tricky. Get ready. Do it with me. A, apple, A. E, ed, E. I, itch, I. O, octopus, A. U, Great job. I know all of you are doing it so loud and proud at home with me. Okay, today's lesson, we're going to practice specifically working on the digraph CH. Can all of you find it on my screen? There it is. I see it. CH, chin, ch. So I am going to dictate some words, and I want you to practice writing them at home. So make sure you grab some paper. Let me find my paper screen here. Nope, it's not that one. Not that one. Here we go. It's this one. Okay, get your paper and get ready to write all of these words that have CH. So the first word is chip. Let's tap it out. Ch, I, p. Oh, wait a second. I think I need to go the other way. Ch. I did it 2 fingers because it's 2 letters but 1 sound. Ch, I, p. Okay, go ahead with your paper and try your best to write the word chip. I don't know about you, but I've been eating a lot of chips at home. Okay, when you finish, I want you to please box or underline your digraph. That's how we mark the digraphs. So watch me try. I think I'll write with red today. Okay, so I'm going to start on the plain line, fly back and down to the grass line. Ch, ch, ch. I know that's a CH. Trace back up and around. Vowels can be hard for me sometimes. I like to do the roller coaster to help me really hear that vowel. Ch, I. Guys, what is it? I. It's like the monkey itching. It's an I. Ch, I. And then my ending sound is P. Okay, trace back up and around. Chip. And I will underline my digraph. The word is chip. Nice job. Now, I don't eat just one chip. When I have chips, I eat lots of chips. What do we hear at the end? That's right, a suffix S. So everyone, what does this word say? Chips. What's the base word? Chip. That's right. Let's mark it. Underline the base word. Circle the suffix. Excellent. Let's try one more CH word today, folks. Okay, The next word is chins. I can see all of you are thinking about your chins to help you with the sound CH. Okay, when a word has a plural ending, more than one, we need to do the base word. What is the base word? What is that? That's right, a chin, just one chin. Let's tap it out. Ch, oh, I gotta go backwards. Ch, I, n, chin. Okay, go ahead and do your best job dictating chin, writing it out. I'll be working here. You can look at mine to help you check. Ch, stretch out that vowel. In, chin. And underline your digraph. And now we can add the S because the word was chins. And we will underline our base word, circle our suffix. Awesome. Okay, we're going to move on from dictation, my friends, and we are going to end with a little bit of reading. Okay, this story I picked because my son Carter, he's 2, and he is always getting hurt. And yesterday he cut his lip. So today I'm going to read this story to you called Cut Lip. I'm going to scoop with my finger while I read. You could do the same at home. Cut lip. Mom got the tot, Jim, a bib. What's a tot, guys? Yeah, like a little kid. Okay, repeat that sentence back with me. Mom got the tot, Jim, a bib. Jim bit the fig and bit his lip. Read it again with me. Jim bit the fig and bit his lip. He had a sip of pop. Do you know what pop is? It's another word for soda. Okay, read that sentence again with me. He had a sip of pop. His lip was okay. Do it again with me. His lip was okay. Then Jim got on the mat with his pal, the cat. Read it with me. Then Jim got on the mat with his pal, the cat. Okay, this is a story we can read more together. Today we worked on that CH sound, but there weren't any CH words in this passage. I'm wondering if I could add a line. What might happen in this story? I know, maybe when he bit his lip, he chipped his tooth. Like a little piece came out of it. So a chip isn't just something you eat, it's something that can happen to your tooth. All right, hope you enjoyed this. Keep practicing those CH words and look around your house for anything that starts with CH. Thanks, guys.